All right, so in this video, I'm gonna talk about the difference in a 9 to 5 and a work from home job. What is the difference? You know, a lot of people like to call work from home opportunities a scam, or they think it's hard, or, you know, they just don't understand it. So what I'm gonna do is talk about the difference between a 9 to 5 and working from home. Make sure y'all subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure y'all hit that notification bell. But the only thing that's different between a 9 to 5 job, the only thing that's different between a 9 to 5 job and a work from home job is the time. You're working on your own terms, you're working on your own freedom, and you don't have to worry about a boss, and you're making your own money, okay? A 9 to 5 job, you have a boss that's telling you what to do. You have rules that you have to follow. You have to get up, you know, go to the job. You can't be late. And also, you are working for an hourly rate. Now, what I want to do is show you working for an hourly rate. Now, rich people, okay, I do a lot of reading. I do, you know, a lot of research. I try to follow the people that, you know, I want my ideal life to be. You know, the rich don't do that. And I've been reading this book right here, Think and Grow Rich. It's really something that I feel like everybody should read. It'll help you understand money better, and it'll help you just become like more successful. Like the more I read this, the more sales I make, because it helps your mind grow and it helps you as a person to just, you know, be better, okay? So the rich don't work for money. The money work for them, all right? And they don't trade their time for money. They use their money for more time. So if you're working a 9 to 5 job, you're selling a product. No matter what you're doing, you're selling a product. If you're working a fast food restaurant, warehouse, assembly line, you're building a product to be sold. No matter what you're doing, you're selling a product, but you're not getting paid your full potential. When you're working from your laptop or your computer with the opportunity that I am a part of right now, you are getting paid 100% instant commissions, which is your value, okay? You're not trading your time for this money, because let's say you have to work a 10-hour shift for $10. That's 100 plus for that day. You could literally make more than $100, $250, $500, $1,000 in less than an hour. All right, it just depends on which level you come in at. We have multiple levels that allow you to make those type of commissions. I want you to also think about it in this term right here. Think about you ordering food through a drive-through, and think about you eating at a buffet. When you go through a drive-through, you pay one time. For that moment, you get your food, you go through, you're gone. When you come back to this same place, you have to pay again. A 9 to 5 job, you get paid one time. Every time you go to work, you getting paid one time. So you could do more work this day than you did the other day, but you're only getting paid one time, and that's probably the end of the week or every 2 weeks. However, you know, your job pays you, but you don't get paid right after you have done that job and right after you done that grind. So when you're working with the company that I'm a part of, here's a few of the commissions that's coming through, all right? And what this does is allows you to get paid instantly. So these commissions went to my PayPal or my Cash App or my Zelle, Stripe, whatever processor that I want to use, that's where it went. And I usually use PayPal and Cash App because I have those two cards that I could use instantly. If you don't have these two cards here, go ahead and order you one. If you don't know what it's a lot of people that really don't even use Cash App or know what it is still. So you could tell people about Cash App, earn money that way for free, $5 or whatever for each referral. And you can get you a PayPal card and use that every time somebody sends you money through PayPal. So like that's an example. You get paid instantly instead of having to wait to get paid. Think about the buffet. You pay one time and you eat all you can eat until you're ready to go. With the company I'm a part of, you pay one time, okay? You pay one time to join and you earn for a lifetime. No monthly fees. So you can eat all you want. You can eat all you want. It's up to you how much you want to eat. When you at a buffet, nobody don't come tell you, oh, you can't eat that much, or you can't eat that much, put it back. No, you eat as much as you want. So in this business I'm part of, you earn 100% instant commissions, unlimited. You eat all you want, okay? That's how you should think about it. Versus a drive-through. You'll spend way more money in a day if you ate at multiple drive-throughs than a buffet. That's how I look at a 9-to-5 job and the opportunity that I'm a part of right now. And people be like, well, it's a scam because you have to pay to start. You have to pay. Money is energy. It's called currency. What do you think the rich people do? They invest their money. Okay? They invest it. The I in invest means increase. Okay? It means increase. Y'all have to wake up, man. So when you're working a 9-to-5, what about the gas you got to put in your car every week? What about the clothes you might have to buy for that particular job? The shoes you might have to buy. If you're working in the fast food, you got to buy slip resistant. If you work in the warehouse, you might got to buy some steel-toed boots. Is that a scam? You coming out of pocket? That's money you have to pay to start working. So what's the difference between paying a one-time fee for a digital product that you can earn a lifetime with? It's just the programming, it's the mind. People are made and built off of fear. Once you get past fear, success is on the other side. So that's really why I got started with making money online, because that's the mindset I have. I used to work at a restaurant, a fast food restaurant called Zaxby's. That was the trials and stuff I had to go through to see, like, okay, this is not what I want to do for the rest of my life. You have some people that enjoy going to work because they've been programmed. Everybody can't be that 1%. But if you are somebody that's constantly looking for a way out, or constantly need more money or funds to do something, then this video is destined for you. So you are one of those people that's supposed to stand out or branch off or do something different, but maybe you let fear get in the way. When I started out, I remember searching on the internet how to make money online, and what I came across was opportunity. And this was back in 2016, okay? 2016. It's 2020. I've been doing this, and I'm gonna keep going and keep going. I'm gonna be a millionaire, I guarantee you that, from my laptop and from my smartphone, because people don't understand how powerful the internet is. But when I was searching online, I found something that was paying at the time $80 commissions. Now, I don't know about you, but if you do 80, you know what I'm saying, times 5 and times 6, times 7, that adds up. And that's money that you could use. Money is a tool. People are scared to, invest it because they're so scared to lose it, because they think in lack that they might not get it back. That's the crazy part about how people are programmed. You know what I'm saying? So me, I unprogrammed myself. I took a risk, got started, and I stuck with it. And now I'm at this point that I am right now. I have a YouTube channel. I provide content on my social media, Facebook, Instagram, Craigslist, Snapchat. I don't worry about what other people think. And that's another thing coming in as a work from home agent. You can't worry about what other people think. Yeah, you're gonna have family and friends, or people that know you and think that you can't be successful at it, or you're not making money because they think they know you from the past. You get what I'm saying? It's a whole different transitioning that your mind goes through. Like me, I don't even go out. You get what I'm saying? I don't even go out. I'm in the house 24/7 on my laptop, on my smartphone. This is the lifestyle that I live. Go work out, get some nature, travel. A lot of people's mindset is just not made to work from home. So that's where the internet comes into play, and you can connect with so many like-minded people to the point where You don't even have to promote to family and friends, all right? I have so many people that join me in my business that I don't even know, never seen. They're in California, they're in Texas, they're in England. I have people in Jamaica and Africa. This business is global. So you don't have to worry about marketing to family and friends. Don't focus on nothing else but the goal that you have out for yourself to reach. The outside don't matter, okay? The outside don't matter. A ship never sinks by the water outside the boat. It only sinks from the water that got inside of it. I'm finna write this video up soon, but I remember, this is a true story. I remember when I have a buddy, his name is Javante, we call him J-Rock. He can vouch for this. He has the same mindset, really my brother, but check this out. We was like 13, 14, 15. Our mindset was on money. We was making money. We was getting paid under the table by cutting grass for this person that had a lot of money. He owned a graveyard. Most people mindset, oh, I'm not going out there, no dead people cutting no grass. Every time they asked us, what y'all do? Because we always be like, we have to work or something. We'll end up talking about it. People ask, where y'all work at? And we'll say the graveyard. Every time people will be like, y'all work out there with them dead people? Oh, I couldn't do that. Our mindset wasn't on no dead people other than the dead presidents, you know what I'm saying? So it's like our mindset at that age is still how it is today. Our mindset at that age was to let's get this money. You have to be like that. And also, we didn't have no car. We didn't have no car. What you thought? We got on the bus, man. We got on the bus. We went and made that money. We weren't even supposed to be working. It's so many people right now that have so many excuses on why they can't do this, why they can't do that. It's always a way. I kept in my mind about me getting a car, how I did all of this on my own. People don't understand. I come from an entrepreneur family. Like my mom is very successful. My uncle, aunties and stuff is very successful. They have businesses, but they don't just give out handouts. You know what I'm saying? They let you see it. Like, of course, they help out if you need it, but it's not like, no, oh, here you go, handout. Dude, no, they show you the grind. They showed me. We was on the bus, going back and forth to work on the bus. You feel me? On the bus, going to work, trying to get this money early when we start driving. But my whole goal was to get a car. How your mind gotta be, you have to set a goal, see it, it's in tunnel vision, man. It's in tunnel vision. You have to go get it, and it's gonna come. Just think, I was thanking God for the car already, and I'm putting the money up. I'm keeping in my mind how it will feel, me driving to work instead of riding the bus. I'm not saying that we love riding the bus. It was just what we had to do. So we rode the bus, went to work, got the money, boom, kept doing routine. Get you a routine going. Get you a good mind routine going. We wasn't negative about it. We were positive about it. Yeah, it was hot. Yeah, we, you know what I'm saying, out there getting chased around by bees and wasps, but we wanted the money. You got to go through that. God put you in different situations, test you, see if this really what you want. Most people will give up. But you can't give up, man. You got to keep that tunnel vision, keep going. But I'll see y'all to the next video.